Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So up to till now, you must know that we are creating our users using Django admin. But in real world projects, you can't expect every user to have your Django admin access, right? So in today's video, we are building a user registration API to allow normal user to sign up directly through our API efficiently and securely. So without further delay, let's jump in. So we have a serializer code written directly inside the Views.py file, but this is not the good practice, especially in real world projects. So that's why I'm creating the new file named serializer.py. And after creating this file, I'll go back to the views.py where we have the serializer code, and I'll copy paste all the serializer code that we have inside the views.py, and after copying this, I'll go back to the serializer.py file and paste the entire code here. Okay, after doing that, so we'll go back to the views.py and just cut all the code. We no longer need this code inside the views.py. And now after that, at the top of the views.py, I'll import the user serializer for our new serializers.py file, and also import the user model from django.contrib.auth models. And let's just quickly have a look what our serializer is doing. So we have two fields here, username and password. Notice this line, extra quirks, password write only, true. This basically means that the password will be accepted when creating a user, but it won't be returned in the responses, which is good for security. Alright, let's just open our urls.py file, and here we have created a route. This route points to our user register view, which handles user registration using the serializer we just set up. Let's save the file and let's run the server. So python manage.py run server, and after that we'll get the link. Where's the link? Okay, here's a link, and after clicking on the link, let's go to our user register route, which is our API register, and here it is require our credentials. For that, I want to go to the Postman, and I'll show you that I will go to the user token endpoints, and here, which I told you the entire thing in the previous tutorial, I put the Django super user and got the access token by doing the refresh token thingy. And now I'm getting the new request. Let's just name this the user registration. So let me just in the short form, and then go to the authorization. Now our API is secure with the JWT authorization, so we need to paste the token that we have, and go to the paste the user registration route, and inside the raw file in the JSON format, we need to provide a username and the password for the user registration. For now, this is a basic practice. For the real world example, we will be having the email and the first name and the last name for the best and the secure authorization. For now, we are just working on the username and the password. So here I have provided all of them, and now just hit send, and it is responding with the ID number and the username, which means our user has been successfully created. And that's easy it was. If you found this video helpful, like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.